I am preparing a few Mexican side dishes because I told you we love Mexican food. Today I was able to get a lot of avocados on sale, so I stock up when I can get them on sale. And then if you don't know if an avocado is ripe, if they're a little soft when you squeeze them, if they're really hard, this one is, I'm going to leave this on my counter for a day, and like tomorrow it'll be ready. You can also put them in a brown paper bag, put them in a dark spot, and they will ripen quickly. I have two ways that you can cut an avocado up. You can use the knife to separate it and go around. And then when you have the seed in it, just use your knife, turn it a little bit, and it will come out. Then I'm trying to get as much as I can of the meat of the avocado. The other way that you can use an avocado is use this tool. And then this one's soft, so I want to be able to do that. You do not want to put hard ones. You do not want to cut these hard ones and freeze them. I did that, and then they didn't ripen after the fact. So you want to make sure that they're ripe before you do what I'm about ready to show you. So this cuts it. There's a little seed gather in there, and it takes it right out. And then if you want to use this, you can just push this through there and it'll make your slices that you want. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing here. So what I'm doing is I'm putting my half cut slices on parchment paper. You want to make sure there's no green skin, and then I'm going to freeze them this way. That way, when they're frozen, I will pull them out, put them in a bag, and they won't stick together. I can put some lime juice on them right now to keep the color, but if you freeze them this way, they will keep the color. Then, whenever you're ready to have guacamole, you pull a couple of these out, leave them at room temperature, or I just microwave them for like 5-10 seconds. They're defrosted, and then I just make my guacamole. It takes like 5 minutes from that time because you already are prepared. So this is just one of those benefits. Let me show you some more. Next thing is I want to show you how to make guacamole. Now you can make guacamole many different ways. I'm going to show you our way. We don't use a lot of the extra stuff in it because there's some of us that don't like it. So we compromise and make it just pretty simple. So after I have the avocados cut up, I like to use a masher. It really does work on them. I have done it to where I put my fingers in it and just squeezed, but this really does a good job on getting it where I want it. And I don't have to get my hands dirty then. See? So you can put green onions in it, you could put tomatoes in it, you could put cilantro in it, you could put jalapenos in it. We just like to taste the avocado. So I use the Daily Dust. I told you I use it in everything. And that has garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. I also found this cilantro lime, which is really good to use in there. So even though I'm not putting the cilantro, because I love cilantro, my family doesn't like that much. That adds that little bit of ting to it. And Worcester, or Worcestershire, however you say it. And then lime. And again, you could put as little or as much as you want. I like squeezing the lime with my hands. It seems to come out better. Let's see if this works. Yeah. You know what? If I turn the lime correctly, get those little chewy chunks of it. And then stir it all together. Sometimes I have to add a little extra salt. I've lost my sense of smell, so sometimes my taste is off, and if I put some salt in it, it comes through for me. It might be salty for everybody else, but who's the cook? I could put a little bit more lime in this, and I will probably put some salt in this. Other than that, this is in really good shape. Quick guacamole.